Guys, this is your mini power inverter for your laptops and your notebooks. This is what we're going to be reviewing today. So this power inverter for your laptops has multiple heads. So it is universal. It will definitely work on multiple devices. I'm just showing you guys the information on the box. The information on the box shows you different wattages and amperages, etc. Let's open the box. So this is the cables that comes with it. That's your normal AC/DC cable. This is your different charger head pins, depending on the laptop that you have or notebook. So this will definitely fit multiple devices. You just have to match it to your designated device. This is the charger for the car charger that would work with your inverter. And this is the inverter, guys. This is a 100 watts inverter. It's very powerful. I've been using it for some time, so it really is good quality. I've had it for a few years. Also bear in mind that the inverter will get hot because it is transmitting power from one end to the other. As you can see on this end, it has a 5-volt USB slot. That is your different gauges for power, starting at 12 volts, moving upwards. Now I recommend you guys check the voltage on your laptop or notebook before setting the designated voltage on the power inverter. On this side is your normal AC/DC adapter to connect to the main, and the small opening there is for your charger in the car, to charge it in the car. So these different charger heads, I'm just making an example. I'll fit on one for you guys. So this is one charger head. It has 2 pins. It simply slots onto the other end of the power inverter charger. If you want to connect this in your house, so you just slot that on there and you plug that into your main, your power main, and that will charge it right up. Set your designated voltage depending on the voltage your computer is. Like I've said, to underpower it and overpower it, guys, will damage your laptop or your computer, right? So this is the car charger. There's the slot there for charging this in your laptop in the car. That you plug it there and you plug that to your cigarette lighter. Set your designated voltage. This will definitely power up the inverter. I've used it multiple times in my vehicle and it works perfectly.